Number 6, we're going to be looking at how to compare the DNA of the father to its offspring, basically to determine paternity. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to collect mRNA from the male lizard, which would be the father, and then we're going to reverse transcribe it so the mRNA turns into cRNA. And once we do that, we're going to cut fragments of cRNA using the restriction enzymes, and we're going to cut specific fragments out. Then what we do is we run the DNA through PCR, and what we're going to do is we're going to get various copies of the cDNA for testing. So this ensures us that we have multiple groups to make sure that our results are as accurate as possible. Now, the process of PCR is denaturation, annealing, and elongation. Next, what we do is we're going to identify the VNTR, which is basically specific to every organism. The only two organisms that can have the same VNTR is twins, and they have to be identical twins. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to insert probes into the sample, and then we're going to place gel inside the wells for the testing, and we're going to put DNA inside the well. And we're basically onto the process of gel electrophoresis. And what we're going to do is we prepared the agarose gel, and then us creating the well is basically placing the gel into the little container, and then we put DNA inside of it. We add DNA. Now once we do this, we stain DNA. So we're going to stain it. That's us adding our stain. And then we add buffer solution, and once that happens, we apply a voltage. Now the fragments, they're going to separate based on size and voltage. And what's going to happen is that the smaller the molecule for DNA is, the faster it will move throughout. So let's say we have the father and we have the offspring, and it's going to, the father's diagram looks like this. This molecule will be the smallest because it traveled the fastest, and the offspring can have similar DNA, so it could look like this and like that. And these are the same. This one is the same, and so are these. Now, important factors of gel electrophoresis are the net charge. If the positive would go to the negative anode, like the molecule, and the negative molecule would go to the positive anode. And there's also the potential difference, which causes a separation in the molecules, as we stated over here, because they separate based on size and voltage.